Mbuya Davidson, ephutha. You understand? And we had a lot of
My queen ngicela ungikhuzele lo mfana.
ah man, baby boy. Rest. Rest, Scott. Rest.
Yeah.
You are not the first person to be in that high rank in
Yeah.
Davidson. We've got a lot of legends.
Yes.
Your Lira, your Lebu
Yes.
Matosa,
Yes.
your Junior Kanye.
Yes.
People who are very humble. So if uzothatha impilo yakho utshela ukuthi just because you are now known, you must like look down on people. That's not life. Life will knock you down, my boy.
Life will humble you.
Life will humble you, my boy. So you must be rest.
Humble. Yeah.
Rest, baba.
Very, very.
Rest.
Yeah.
So ngiyacela sithando sami. Wona phela uyingane lakithi.
Exactly.
So
ngamzala lo muntu.
asithandi lento yenzayo. Asithandi lento yenzayo ukuthi manje wehlisa iflag lethu lase Davidson.
Exactly.